Alright, welcome back, guys. It's been a couple weeks now, and I finally decided the first mod for the Hellcat. So we're going to be heading back down to First Place Auto, and we're going to be doing a mid-muffler delete just for now. Obviously, everybody knows about the California exhaust laws that just came out, but that ain't phasing me. So we're going to go ahead and get our mid-muffler delete for right now, but I may be getting a Borla ATAC exhaust somewhere in the near future, so stay tuned for that. But for right now, we're going to go get a mid-muffler, so I'll show you guys before and after of how the exhaust sounds, not only on a cold start, but when it's warm and on a pass-by as well. And if you guys aren't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button down below, hit the like button down below, and maybe hit the notification bell as well if you guys are into that. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so quick update. Instead of the mid-muffler delete, we're actually now going to be doing the resonator or the rear muffler. I guess they're exactly the same. I've never actually looked underneath the Hellcat, but I guess they're exactly the same, and my muffler guy told me that we probably should do the rear ones. That'll get you a little bit more of a throaty sound, a little bit louder, and you'll get more pop when you downshift. So that's what I'm looking for. The mid-muffler will get you a little bit more rasp. So I think that's what I'm going to be doing, is just going with the rear muffler. So let's see how it sounds. Alright, so we just got it done. We got the muffler delete in the back, so I guess the resonator, if you want to call it that. But muffler delete, so I'm sure it's going to sound great. So I'm just going to hop in right now and we're going to take a listen at it, alright? That shit sounds so good. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, if it was informational, please drop a like below. Please subscribe for me. It means a whole bunch. Obviously, this is going to be a big project of mine, and I can't wait to see where it ends up at. I have already ordered another piece for the car, and it will be in carbon fiber. So that's all I'm telling you guys. So it will be carbon fiber, and I will be doing an install video once I get it. So you guys will see what that is probably a couple weeks from now. But in between that, I'm going to try to upload a little bit more for you guys. But again, please like, comment, and subscribe for me. Share it to frickin', I don't even know, Vimeo or something. I don't know if you can do that, but please share it for me, and you guys have a good day.